Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm at today I'm at Obudu Cattle Ranch. Basically at mainly at Obudu Cattle. No, what's the name of this again? Obudu Mountain Resort. So yeah, Mountain Resort. I've been seeing like a lot of bad reviews about the mountain resort, and coming here so far it's been nothing but like nice. Like, to be honest, it's been really nice. So I have not seen any, I don't know, something I should be worried about, I guess, because the view here is just impeccable. Like, if you're a lover of nature, this is a place for you. And like, we are literally on top of freaking mountain. So if you like nature, this is literally the place for you. So the locals here can also offer to make you like barbecue. You can buy goats, they can make you like barbecue goats or barbecue fish, and it's really at a very affordable price. I really don't know what the bad review about this place was all about, because so far I'm loving my stay here and it's just incredible. You can get on horses, you can you can get on a cattle if you want. I'll give you a tour of what the inside. So that you can know if it's coming or not. This is what it looks like up close.
If you don't want to negotiate with him, you know, Kevin does for me now.
As a group, so there are different people staying in different rooms. The view is impeccable. Wow, like literally just wow. What the room looks like. An awesome view. Like, imagine waking up to this every morning. There's actually like no light. I think that's just the downside to it, but they usually like on the lights in the evening, in the night. There's a bathroom. You can see water is running. You can see water is running.
Wasn't for you. They're holding the house. See.
Doesn't matter.
I'm videoing of it.
This is supposed to be a lion. That's the head of the lion over there.
Just the head there. And yeah, then that's the hip of it.
So this part here is the body of the lion.
Yeah, then the hip is
from the shoulder down to the hip, the legs, and then the tail.
Okay, this is the tail of the lion.
It's not, because it's rainy season. That's why.
The presidential villa. Like when the president comes to Obudu Cattle Ranch, this is where the president stays. Wow. This is like way more hip, yeah.
Flag, yeah.
Like a Nigerian flag. Yeah. Maybe when the president comes, they'll put it up.
No, not yet. Are you ready?
But I will tell you to come out. Oh yeah, let's go. Is anybody walking the staircase? Yes. So let's walk there. Let's just walk there. Actually, are you walking the staircase? Yeah, I would like to.
Going down to the canopy walk. We're definitely inside the clouds, baby. Like for real. Can you see the clouds? Right there. Wow. We're going to the Grotto waterfalls, right? To the Grotto waterfall, Obudu Cattle Ranch, Obudu Mountain Resort. And we have the natural swimming pool. Wow. See the natural swimming pool though. Is it God that created this swimming pool or is man?
Huh?
I said, is it God that created it?
Was it natural?
Is it a natural swimming pool? It came like this.
Give me the styles.
Hiking down there.
Akara.
Takara. We made it, guys, to natural swimming pool. Hey guys, so my final review for the Obudu Cattle Ranch or Obudu Mountain Resort is that I would advise anyone to come here because it's been absolutely like fun since I came. I want you to just think about coming to this place like you're renting an Airbnb, because basically that's what it's like. You get the apartment and you can cook, you can do whatever you want. Make sure you get a tour guide or come as a group or as a family. That's what makes it more fun. Since I've been here, they've been lights. It's not always 24 hours, but it's always there. Come as a group, bring your like board games or card games or whatever you want to do, and bring your party box or music box or speakers, whatever, and have your own fun, because that's the best way to have fun in Obudu Cattle Ranch. Alright, and make sure you visit all the places here. Like, make sure you take your time to like go around, because if not, if you just stay indoors, you're not going to have fun at all. So have fun, move around, and see you later. Ciao.